Hindi ya kuruguria mihango ya uhandi wa miti thukuru-ini wa muthingi wa LANGA igitongorio ni thirikari ya kaunti ya NAKURU unyitaniri-ini na gikundi gitari gia githirikari gia Planet Patrons iri ta njira ya kurana thina wa meciria. Kuringana na murugamiriri munene wa gikundi giki Wanjiku Njoroge, murimu wa meciria ni thina munene thi yothe na uguo ni wagire kumurikwo na njira nene.
We are actually celebrating mental health awareness because there's the benefit. Trees give us a lot of benefits. Among them is the calming feeling that you get when you go under any tree.
Wanjiku ugite kuringana na ministry ya ugima wa mwiri hari andu ana aria maretha utungata wa ugima wa mwiri guku bururi-ini umwe na thina wa meciria.
Without trees, we can't get oxygen. Without trees, no shade. And without trees, no change of the environment.
Na niguo kugiririria thina uyu kuri arutwo gikundi giki gikoretwo kiambiririo uhandi wa miti thukuru-ini rungu rwa mubango uria urakurikana ta birthday forest niguo gutigirira arutwo mari na riera riega ria guthomera undu uria maugite ni ugacithagia ugima mwega wa meciria.
Birthday forest is a concept where we teach children how to plant and nurture trees. We moved away from just planting. We are insisting in pursuing growing of trees, ensuring that they grow.
Mwene-ini wake mwandiki munene wa kaunti ya NAKURU Dagitari Samuel Mwaura augite mubango wao ni kugacithia gicunji kia mititu kaunti-ini ino na guthomithia arutwo bata wa uhandi wa miti.
Ni kazi ambayo tumekuwa tukiendelea. Mwaka uliopita wa kifedha kaunti ya NAKURU iliweza kupanda about 500 hectares ya miti na ndio maana tumefika hapo.
Muoroto wa gikundi giki ni kuhanda miti 5,000 kaunti na gukinyaniria kioneki gia thirikari gia kuhanda miti bilioni 15 ihinda-ini ria miaka 10 yukite.
Done 1,000 now, so we have a few to go this year.
We have been able to plant close to 1,000 trees, and we'll be visiting other schools, working with the foundation to make sure that we not only plant trees, but we also educate our children on the need for them to plant trees and protect the environment.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, jitagwo Wainaina wa Kierie.